everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Morgan and today I'll be showing you guys how I get the perfect silk press every single time. So first you guys will need the Nexus shampoo, which is my favorite ever. And then you'll need the Olaplex hair mask, scrunchies, clips, a hairbrush, and a hair towel. Now for products, we're going to go in with the heat protectant Cheese Silk Infusion, which is my favorite. And I do a quarter size amount and go throughout my hair. Make sure to get my edges, the ends. And now this is a split end mender, which I put directly on my ends using the prayer hands method. Okay, so now I'm going to be splitting my hair into sections and we are blow drying now. So here I am using the tension method to get my hair straight. You might want to try this if you want your hair really straight. And then I'm going in with the brush and the attachment for my blow dryer to get my hair super duper straight. And I'm just going over it a million times even though it's already practically straight, because I really like my hair to be almost bone straight so that when I go in with the straightener, it makes everything easier. So you want to make sure you get your roots and you're going in the direction of your hair, which it grows down vertically. So that's why I'm holding the blow dryer vertically. Make sure I'm getting the nape of my neck, and yeah. So here you can see my hair is pretty straight. It looks like I've already straightened it, which is a good thing. So now as you can see, my hair is completely blow dried. Off camera I went over it again just to make sure my roots were really straight. This is the next morning and right now I'm cleaning my hot tools, because the last thing you want to do is straighten your hair with dirty hot tools on clean hair. So I'm just making sure they're clean. I do use a hot comb and a straightener, so I'm cleaning both thoroughly. My hot comb is on 410, so I'm going around the perimeter of my head. This just makes the whole entire process as far as straightening easier and quicker when your edges are already straight. So be careful and make sure that you don't burn yourself, but yeah. I do use the chase method, but I'm not really crazy about it the entire time. I don't do it that way just because it takes forever and it seems unnecessary to me. So I just comb the piece of hair that I'm straightening before and then go down with it with the straightener. That's the back section, and now we are all the way up into the front section. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of me straightening my hair and listen to the music. even though my hair is pretty straight, I'm gonna go over it with the hot comb on my roots just to make sure that my part is really defined. If you care about heat damage, I would 100% skip this step, but I personally do not care. My hair is heat trained, so yeah. Now that I've made sure my hair is super straight, I'm gonna go in and trim. I can't really give many tips on trimming because I just trim, but as you can see, when I comb the hair downward, I'm putting that behind my ear so I don't accidentally cut it, but I comb the hair in the direction that it naturally falls and trim it that way. So here on this side, you'll see me combing it directly where it normally falls and then trimming it from behind, if that makes sense. Putting the hair behind my ear again to make sure I don't accidentally cut that part again. Comb it downward and snip away. On this piece, you'll notice half is short, half is long. The short part is the natural layers in my hair, so I'm just gonna trim that off too and not make it even. Here I am showing you guys the back so y'all can see that the cut is valid. Now here is for the curling. I curl my hair every single time just on the ends to give my hair a little body. I find that my hair lasts way longer when I curl it, and yeah, it just looks super healthy and pretty when I curl it. So here you'll notice that I curl my hair away from my face. You want to start at your cheekbone so that it can frame your face. On this one, I went a little lower on accident, but I didn't want to re-go over it just because that never works out. So now that my hair is completely curled, I'm going to wrap it just so the curls aren't too uniform. And you could just brush your curls out, but I find that it works better and looks better when I wrap it. And you don't have to put anything on it, just keep it wrapped for a few seconds and literally let it back down. I'm reinforcing my part And my hair looks super poofy at this point, but that's because I have thick hair. So I'm just gonna comb it out really good, and you can see that it is really silky and flowy. This one I got do with the jabata. I know get time I did jabata. The cover my face, calling me jabata. Big man, wait, don't you get jabata? Let me. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, the kitchen, I know feet. For flyaways, I just take my Got To Be spray and I spray my hand, rub my hands together, and just apply it to the top, only where the flyaways are. Don't bring it all the way down. And this is the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment and subscribe. Plenty, plenty, plenty.